What is going on, everybody? Thank you so much for tuning in. My name is John. Today I have for you a convenience good. That's right, today we're going to be taking a look at the Libratone TrackAir Plus I picked up on Amazon for $1.99. They get 4 out of 5 stars out of 81 customer reviews and come in 2 different colors, white and black. Here in front of us today, I have the white pair. We're going to be doing an unboxing and a first impressions and a sound impressions. These headphones do come with a dedicated application, so we will download that and try it out for ourselves. Just as a side note, I did pick up a Google Pixel 4 XL yesterday, so that's going to be our test device for today. I couldn't get the Apple AirPods Pro connected to the Google Pixel 4 XL, so I think we might actually be keeping these TrackAir Plus because I really need a pair of wireless active noise cancellation earbuds for the Pixel 4 XL, which I'm planning on keeping for a little while. Anyways, let's go ahead and do the unboxing and the first impressions here. Let's get into the box. So these are the TrackAir Plus by Libratone. They are true wireless smart noise canceling. Now what's really interesting is on Amazon's website they say active noise cancellation, but on the box here it says smart noise canceling. So what we're gonna have to do is we're gonna have to figure out if that is more akin to active noise reduction, which is similar to technology found on the Amazon Echo Buds. Active noise reduction is basically a set of algorithms that adjusts EQ levels to block out noises that are detected coming in through the headphones. A little bit complicated to explain, but that's basically the gist of it. Active noise cancellation is using microphones to channel in an underlying sound to cut out protruding sounds. All very complicated matters, but we're going to find out today exactly what these are, whether they are active noise cancellation or active noise reduction. So far, according to Amazon's website, it says that they are active noise cancellation. So that is a really welcomed sigh of relief so far. Nonetheless, the really great news, the really good news, which is the title of this video, which you've probably seen by now, is the fact that these are a pair of active noise cancellation earbuds for $1.99. Now you can find the Sony WF-1000 XM3 also for $1.99. However, they are typically $230. These, however, are $1.99 indefinitely, and maybe even they will go on sale at some point. Nonetheless, if you're looking for an active noise cancellation pair of earbuds for 200 bucks and not say 230 or 250 like the Sonys or the AirPods Pros, the AirPods Pros, by the way, are $250, then this looks to be the way to go. Like I said, Red Dot Design Award, smart noise canceling. Also, what's really nice is they are IPX4 water resistant. They have a wireless charging case, so the case is Qi wireless charging compatible, and they have a 24-hour battery life, which is really nice. So similar specs to the AirPods and the Sonys, but $200 and not $230 or $250. So what we have is a beautiful premium unboxing experience here. So what we'll do is, it looks like this slides just off like so, and what's really nice is you get Libratone, the logo, right on the front. I'm not quite sure how these open up, but it looks like there's a little flap on the bottom there, so we'll just lift off like so. So what's really nice is you get a sort of welcome guide showing you how to connect them, and we are greeted at the top there with our earbuds. So we'll go ahead and we'll pull them out, set them off to the side momentarily, pull out our charging case, which right off the bat is USB Type-C and feels very premium and very polished and refined. And at the bottom, which is really nice, is we get our added ear tips, which is really nice, user guides, and last but not least, our charging cable. Okay, so I'm gonna bring in the handy dandy Pixel here. Not too big of a difference or anything like that, but there you go. As you can see, that's what they look like compared by one another. And without further ado, now that they've been charging up for a minute, let's go ahead and connect them to our phone. So we've got the right-hand side, we've got the left-hand side. So far, these feel very premium and they fit in your ear very premium. And as you can see, I'll go ahead and turn this around for you guys. The TrackAir Plus come up on the Google Pixel 4, and we will go ahead and listen to some music. So I will be back in just a few minutes. Okay, what is going on, everybody? The verdict is in. So far I absolutely love these Libratone TrackAir Plus, but I'm also a little bit disappointed. I was expecting better bass. I was expecting a more neutral sound profile. Instead, this one I think is a little bit more flat. So I did download the application, and what I really like is that it does have an ambient pass-through feature. So when you do turn that on, it actually does reduce the volume of your music so that you can hear what's going on around you. It almost makes your music inaudible, but I don't think that it's actually piping in outward noise to make what's going on around you louder, like the AirPods Pro. It's a little bit interesting. It's almost sort of a gimmick. It's almost sort of a feature rather than a tool. That being said, the audio quality is just a little bit flat. The vocals, the mid-tone, the treble, it's a little bit flat. The bass is the only really pronounced sort of instrument, but it even is not quite as good as, say, another pair of earbuds I've listened to, such as the Anker Soundcore Liberty Air 2, probably the Jaybird Run XT, I believe. Nonetheless, I think the Sony WF-1000XM3s also being priced at $200. I would much rather have gone with the Sony WF-1000XM3s. Just should really explain how disappointed I am in these headphones. I was really expecting them to be similar to the AirPods Pro, and I was really expecting to make a video saying, you know, here's a pair of active noise cancellation earbuds. The active noise cancellation does work, and it works well. It's just the audio quality is not that great on these. The AirPods Pros are better in every regards, and even in noise cancellation and in ambient pass-through mode. I think overall, if you're going to spring for a pair of active noise cancellation earbuds, go with the Sony WF-1000XM3s. I feel like this is an incomplete product. I feel like they are asking way too much for it. I think at $150, this would be a much better buy. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. My name is John. These have been the Libratone TrackAir Plus I picked up on Amazon, which makes it a convenience good for $199, which I think is a little bit too expensive, which I think is a little bit too pricey for these earbuds. Nonetheless, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I hope you got something from it. My name is John. Thank you so much for watching. Like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.